Are you willing to get involved militarily to defend Taiwan if it comes to that?
Yes,
You are.
that's the commitment we made.
指名し、アメリカの記者の方はバイデン大統領から指名をしていただきます。指名された方はお近くのスタンドマイクの前に進み出て。
And the reason I bother to say this, not just about Ukraine. If in fact, after all he's done, there's a rapprochement met between between the Ukrainians and Russia, and these sanctions are not continued to be sustained in many ways, then what signal does that send to China about the cost of attempting to take Taiwan by force?
そうした中で今回の会談では特に中国への対応について
We support the one China policy. We report all that we've done in the past, but that does not mean that China has the jurisdiction to go in and use force to take over Taiwan. So we stand firmly with Japan and with other nations not to let that happen. And my expectation is it will not happen. It will not be attempted. My expectation is a lot of it depends upon just how strongly the world makes clear that that kind of action is going to result in long-term disapprobation by the rest of the community.